You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American singer, songwriter, rapper. If you want to learn more music celebrity names, stay tuned. Originally from New York, Queens. Singles, romantic, homicide, and Here With Me has some of his most famous on TikTok. d4vd, d4vd or d4vd? No, it's actually simply David. So replace the 4 with an A and then add an I or an A between the V and the D. David is how he says his name, not 4vd or dwarfed, no, David. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.